After a tournament and after a very grueling tournament that you have been part of, how do you try and switch off your mind and relax? What do you do?
Hang out with friends, go for shopping sometimes, go for movies. That's how I do it.
Okay, so that's a normal relaxation way. Do you have any, what do you say, yoga, meditation routine in your schedule?
No,
Not yet.
no.
Okay. And talking about recreation and relaxing before the tournament, various coaches do tell us that it's better that the player is relaxed before getting into a game. How do you approach a game? What do you do?
Yeah, like before tournament, you get a time period of 1 month. So in that 1 month, 15 days, 15 or 17 days, you have to put in your bestest strength and all that stuff, and you practice very well in that time period.
Okay.
After 17 days, you have to take rest. I mean, you play squash, but all that gym, running, fitness and all, that is all stopped. And you go for squash and you just play a few games and then return back home. That's how it is.
Do you watch a lot of squash on TV? I mean, there's so many international players who play squash. Maybe there is not enough telecast in our Indian television scene, but do you watch a lot of squash on TV?
Yes, if it comes.
Which players do you follow more?
I follow the currently number one in PSA, that's the men's, and he's Rami Ashur from Egypt.
And what do you like about this player? What do you like to follow from him? What kind of
His
inputs do you take?
drops. I mean,
Drop shots.
yeah, wherever you give a shot, but his drop is so accurate that it will just come 2 inches above the tin.
Okay.
So that's how the player is.
Okay, that's very technical. Does squash need a lot of intelligence? How much of intelligence does a player need
It
actually?
is said that if you want to play squash, your body should be like an athlete, your mind should be like a chess player, and that's when you succeed high.
Okay.
So everything is all mental from now onwards. So you need to use your head.
So tell me, what's the most which is the most satisfying match for you where you have been putting in a lot of intelligence and lot of mind to it? There must be one memorable encounter so far in your career that you still remember, and describe it to us.
Yeah. So it was back in last year when I was playing under 13. So there are tournaments that allow you to play 2 categories. So under 13 is my main category, but you can play under 15 just for fun. So under 13 I reached the finals, and that day I had my semi-final with a very high scored girl, and from Chennai only, and she was very good. I never thought that I would beat her, but that was the time when I used my whole head into her, and I screwed my brains, and everything was gone. After the match, I would get tired, but in the end, I won.
So what did you have extra that made you win that game? How would you say, like, okay, I got this one on her? What gave you the edge?
There's something called fighting spirit. So whatever happens, but the spirit is in your heart that you will succeed. Whatever happens, but it will lead you that way.
So that spirit got you home.
Yeah.
Right. Now, looking ahead, what are the tournaments that you are going to play?
Now the nationals coming up in October this month, and then I will go for
Nationals in under 15 category.
yeah, in Mumbai, and then couple of tournaments like NSCA again in Mumbai. Okay, and then I'm going for an international tournament, that's the British Open. Then again I'll play the Scottish Open.
2 international tournaments by the end of this year.
Yeah.
Okay. And you are playing now in the under 15 categories, but it's also said that child prodigies, stars who make it big in the world of sport, they get into open tournaments and show their talents. Do you also plan to get into open tournaments anytime?
Yeah, but I'm not that ready right now.
Okay.
So I've just turned 13. I've just come up.
You're gone to under 15.
Yeah. So I'll take some time until I reach under 17. I'll be playing open categories.
Right. So you are not taking any pressure on yourself that you want to do certain thing right now, like getting into open tournaments.
No, not that.
Okay. How is the overall, Goan scene coming up?
Yash Farte,
Yeah.
Rahul Perez, Laksh Thakur,
All youngsters, younger than you.
Sanjeet Saini. No, these Laksh Thakur, Rahul Perez,
Okay.
and Sanjeet Saini are the age of mine.
But they are not seeded. You are seeded,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. But they are boys, so
Okay, fine enough. Fair enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you getting a good practice. I mean, at least for workout sake, you're getting enough practice. Because it's said that if there is no equal enough competitors, it gets difficult to train yourself for competition. So, do you have any plans of going out of Goa and practicing with some high seeded players anytime?
When I go to these tournaments in Mumbai, I do practice with them. So, you play matches as well, and then you play with seeded players.
So, you're getting enough practice, and as far as your progress is going, you feel that you are on the right track. Okay. And 2 years back, I think the Dempo Goodwill brand ambassadorship that came at the right time for you, isn't it?
Yes. So, I was just into squash. So, and that's when they gave me all the sponsorship and all. And after that is when I started going international tournament. So, till that time, everything was going from my dad's pocket, my mom's pocket. So, it's very good of them that they are sponsoring me, and I have a better benefit ahead.
Right. And how do you cope up with your academics? Which standard are you in, and what's your plan for your study?
I'm in ninth standard currently, and I go for tournaments. I come back, and these are some of my. I've chosen some of my friends. So what all the notes they just SMS me, and I just out there I just copy my notes.
Okay, so going ahead, how do you, I mean, where do you want to go through your academics? So, till what age do you want to study?
Graduation.
Till grad, and then you want to make a full-time career in squash, I believe.
No, I will be having a side business because squash is an unexpected game. So any time
Okay.
you can fall, you can jump up. So you have no guarantee about that.
Okay, so you are really thinking hard on about your career and about your academics.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Akanksha, that was very nice talking to you, and congratulations for your success and all the best for your
Thank you.
upcoming tournament. That's it. That's all the time we have in this show. Keep watching Prudent Media. We'll be back next week. Goodbye.